ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோடய வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. Hi children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, in the last class we have discussed about the content of citizens and citizenship. Now we are going to discuss the book back of that lesson.
Okay, ma'am.
First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, which of the following is not a condition for becoming the citizen of India? Option B, acquiring property. Second one, dash of the Constitution of India deals with the citizenship. Option B, Part 2, Article 5 to 11. Third one, who is called the first citizen of India? Option B, the President. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash of a state enjoy full civil and political rights? The answer is citizen. Second one, our Indian Constitution provides for only dash citizenship. Answer is single. Third one, an Indian citizen who is residing outside India and holds an Indian passport are called dash non-resident Indian. Fourth one, all have right and dash responsibility citizens. The answer is civic. Fifth one, dash is an idea enabling young people to assess and participate in shaping modern society. The answer is global citizenship. Roman letter 3, state true or false. First one, USA has single citizenship. The answer is false. The reason is USA has dual citizenship. Second one, OCI, Overseas Citizen of India cardholder has voting rights in India. The answer is false because they don't have the voting rights. Third one, citizen of India can enjoy fundamental rights guaranteed by our constitution. The answer is true. Fourth one, nationality can be changed and citizenship cannot be changed. The answer is false because nationality cannot be changed and citizenship can be changed. Fourth Roman letter, consider the following statements. Tick the appropriate answer. First one, Indian citizen of a person can be terminated if a person voluntarily acquires the citizenship of some other country, a person who has become a citizen through registration, the government of India is satisfied that citizenship was obtained by fraud, a citizen who is by birth indulged in trade with an enemy country during war. What is the correct answer for this? The correct answer is option B, that is 1 and 3 are correct. Second one, assassin. When Pondicherry becomes a part of India in 1962, the people lived there become Indian citizens. Reason, it was done by one of the provisions of the Act of 1955 by incorporation of territory. The correct answer is option A, that is R is the correct explanation of A. Now let us see about the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. The Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 was passed by the Parliament of India on 11th December 2019. It amended the Citizenship Act 1955 by providing a path to Indian citizenship for illegal migrants of Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi and Christian religions minorities who has fled persecution from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan before December 2014. Muslims from those countries were not given such eligibility. Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. Meanings for the terms. Amendment means changes made in the provisions of Citizenship Act 1955. Persecution. It means misbehaving or violence or discriminating or unfair treatment of a person or a group, especially on the basis of their religion, political belief, races. Illegal migrants. A person entering into a country without valid travel documents or passport, or if he or she has passport but has exceeded the time limit permitted to stay in the country. Neighboring countries of India. During 12th to 20th centuries, due to religious persecution in Iran, the Parsis people of Iran migrated into India. See our neighboring countries like Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Burma, that is Myanmar, Sri Lanka. People from these countries had migrated into India. In 1947, partition happened between India and Pakistan. That time, more than 1 crore people migrated to each other country. Similarly, in 1959 to 1960, annexation of Tibet by China-Tibet War, many Tibetans shifted to India. Bangladesh Freedom Movement 1960 to 1971. Due to this war, many people migrated into India. Soviet-Afghan War 1979. Many Afghans also migrated into India. In 1980 to 2000, due to Sri Lankan civil war, many Sri Lankan Tamils came to India. In 2015 to 2017, Rohingyas of Myanmar migrated into India. According to the Census Report 2001, more number of migrants in India are from Bangladesh and Pakistan. Citizenship in India is dealt in two places. One is in the Indian Constitution and the other is Indian Citizenship Act 1955. The provisions in our Constitution was helpful for our grandparents and for our forefathers. This act changes the definition of illegal migrants and it says that before 31st December 2014, any person who came to India in any ways and if they are from Afghanistan, Pakistan and Bangladesh and if they belong to these 6 communities, that is Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, Parsis and Christians, are not called as a illegal migrant. Changes in the process of acquiring citizenship. If you are coming from Pakistan and willing to take Indian citizenship in India, then you have to stay in India for 11 years or have to do government services to get citizenship. But this Amendment Act changed the period from 11 years to 5 years for those 3 countries belonging to 6 communities. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.